डॉक्टर साहब, जैसे आपने मुझे भी मेंशन किया है कि आप पाकिस्तान में एक हॉस्पिटल बना रहे हैं।
This is a hospital called Qaid-e-Azam International that I've got involved somewhat a few months
Qaid-e-Azam
ago.
इंटरनेशनल हॉस्पिटल,
Islamabad mein. It's a 400-bed hospital.
400 बेड।
We already have 85 partners. Mostly they are physicians from US though. And there's वहाँ पर जो local doctors हैं जो वापस गए हैं, they are the main people who are organizing this and looking after the structure. And so it's already 5 stories, almost 5 stories, कितना stories it's built. And we have our second meeting in Apna ke Dauran in June, end of June. So the partners are meeting
DC?
in DC, yes.
Okay.
तो इंशाल्लाह वहाँ पर फिर partners के साथ मुलाकात होगी and we will set plans for future. So
Partner belong to the America or different?
mostly America partners, like we have a lot of physicians from UK, but it's not restricted to America. But for somehow.
You're still inviting investors and participants?
Of course, yeah, we have. I mean, we still have room for some more partners, though.
Okay.
So there is some room.
Project in millions. What number?
I believe probably it's a $50-60 million dollar project, and I don't have the exact figures though.
It's going to be a specialized hospital or it's a general?
The good thing is it's going to be a general with everything in it. So if somebody, just like the system here in the United States, so there's an emergency room, and there will be operation theaters, and there will be consultants all in one building. So just like over here, when you go to hospital, you get all your treatment. If you need an oncologist, you need a pulmonologist, yeah, infectious disease. You don't have to run around to find physicians.
Are you having any problem doing this in Pakistan? Any diplomatic red tape or?
Not at this point, not up to right now. I've not heard of any problems though. So we'll see how it goes. I mean, I'm sure there are other hospitals and that may not like the idea.
What is the minimum investment or participation fee?
It's different levels though. So the physicians, it's different, and then for outside, they have offered rooms as well though, that they can sell to non-physician though. They can own rooms though. This way, all that money that comes in will be spent on the hospital, and the hospital will get ready though. They have
will give a return. Let somebody investing 50 lakhs of Pakistan fees.
Yes, there is a return as well. Yes, definitely there is return. So they're all contracts sitting up there. I think there's more than 50 people who have bought rooms as well though, and different. So it's going to be a very good setup though. Yeah, it's on the website with Qaid-e-Azam International Hospital, Islamabad. So all the detailed information is there though.
Is available in the website?
Right, Qaid-e-Azam under Qaid-e-Azam International Hospital.com. Yes, I mean you can just go Google it; it will come up, or Yahoo, you'll find it.
What is your position in that project?
I'm a shareholder. I'm a partner and part owner of that. And also I have the
percentage of your partnership.
It's still, since we're also still getting new partners, once it's all complete, we'll have the detailed numbers. Obviously the initial physicians, the 4 or 5 physicians who started this project, they are the main force behind this though.
Dr. Saab, I know that you're doing a lot of work for student and for Pakistan. Of course, you are
for Apna as well.
Apna as well, mashallah. And beside that, okay, do you participate at local politics or local activities in America?
We have done from the medicine field, yes, definitely. And like from oncology, I'm a member, or I was actually elected for the Virginia Association of Hematology Oncology. I'm elected member for the last 2 years, and I was re-elected this year for another 2 years. So we do go and we meet with Congress and senators, and we take up, but mostly those are all oncology issues though, because there's a lot of changes going on in America in medicine as well. So we, in that level, we do it definitely.
What about some work for Pakistan there locally?
Well, I just was elected General Secretary for the Central Virginia chapter of APNA. So that chapter recently was started though. So now we are, in February 6th, we have our first meeting with the partners, with the Pakistani physicians, and then we'll just launch this whole organization and start working for, in a more organized way, now that would be help Pakistani physicians to come here and get residencies though.
I see. Dr. Saab, I understand that now you become a part of the APNA. APNA is a very organized and very democratic organization. I'm working with them since many years. And, I like their people. They're very compromising.
Right.
Pakistan, they're doing a lot of project in Pakistan. और अब आप definitely आप
Right.
already in है पाकिस्तान में
बिल्कुल
hospital बना रहे हैं.
जी
Beside that, you're dealing with a lot of Americans, some other community. उनकी क्या फीलिंग होती है पाकिस्तान के बारे में, क्या सोच रखते हैं वो आफ्टर 9/11 के बाद और जो हालात पाकिस्तान में हो रहे हैं?
In general, in Richmond में जो पाकिस्तानी community है, they're fortunately doing very well though. Mostly they are physicians here, so they are very happy with us though. I mean, if you see in my group, I have the most patients than compared to the 14 other U.S. physicians who are my partners though.
Really?
Yeah, I generate the most revenue in my group though. But yeah, they do ask me, almost everyone will ask me कि पाकिस्तान में हालात ठीक है, hope your family is safe. So यहाँ पर ये जो CNN और all these media advertisement कर रहे हैं पाकिस्तान का, तो वो ज़रा negative सा है. But the patients do understand. They're very concerned, but in a good way. कि पाकिस्तान में सब कुछ ठीक तो है तो. But after I explain to them, everything is good. People are coming and going, and everything is going on. So they need a little education, though. So the more Pakistani physicians.
You think that the media in America giving a different picture of the.
Well, whatever attracts the crowd, I mean, the media will do that. They'll not. I mean, that's what the American media will do. I mean. If it's they bring out the things that are not on a daily basis. I mean, people live in Pakistan. हमने वहाँ पर education की है. People go back and forth. There are universities. सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है. I mean, obviously it's a developing country. It needs time. लेकिन इतना वो नहीं है. मैं खुद जाता रहता हूँ पाकिस्तान तो. I mean,
of course, you invested a big time in Pakistan. आपने कभी ये नहीं सोचा पाकिस्तान में इन्वेस्ट करते हुए या पाकिस्तान में हॉस्पिटल बनाते हुए कि वहाँ के जो हालात हो रहे हैं, जैसे लोग कहते हैं जी अरे वहाँ तो लूट मार हो रही है, अरे वहाँ तो आगे लग रही हैं, वहाँ तो हड़तालें हो रही हैं, तो जब आपने ये कदम रखा कि मैं एक हॉस्पिटल बनाना चाहता हूँ वो भी कायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना के नाम से, तो आपकी क्या फीलिंग थी? आपने इन नेगेटिव चीज़ों को सोचा?
मेरे first, after I spoke with the physicians, so I knew I would do this though. क्योंकि वो doctors were here before and they've gone back to Pakistan. Or they are already working at different hospitals, and उनका जो concept वो सब कुछ was very very impressive though. It's like putting in a U.S. hospital in Pakistan though. So obviously your question is a very good question though. लोग कहते हैं, in fact there are some Pakistani colleagues कि नहीं, you should have thought twice and all that. लेकिन I've gone to Pakistan so many times and I feel very comfortable though going back and forth though. I don't think the political situation will have any impact on hospitals. क्योंकि patients के लिए तो they need a hospital. We have families there, they need a hospital. तो I mean, it shouldn't be affected by political. I mean, it would be very upsetting अगर वो कुछ बंद कर दें, that would be there.